Alright, so cranes are typically erected using a method called jumping or climbing. Here's a general overview of the process. So number one, the base installation. The crane's base is secured to the ground, often with concrete foundations. Number two, assembly of the tower. Sections of the tower are assembled on the ground. The crane's mast is built up with additional sections stacked on top of the other. Okay? Number three, the counterweights. Counterweights are added to the base to balance the crane. Number four, raising the jib. The jib, the horizontal arm, is raised into position using a smaller crane or by utilizing the crane's own lifting capabilities. Okay? Number five is the final adjustments. Once everything is in place, the crane is leveled and checked for stability before use. You don't want to smash anything. Safety measures are crucial throughout the process to ensure proper installation and operation. These things get high, bro.